How to fix a fingerprint sensor not working on Android. Hello everyone, if you are facing this kind of problem where the fingerprint sensor is not working properly on your Android, then follow these steps to resolve the issue. Firstly, open settings on your device. In the settings main page, scroll down and here you will see the option passwords and security. Click on it. Now tap on the section Fingerprint Unlock. It will ask you to add a fingerprint if you have not. Try adding your fingerprint once again to see if that works. As you can see, my sensor is working. Now click on Done, and just like that, your fingerprint has been added. However, if it's not the case on your device, then go back to your previous page. From your previous page, scroll and go to the option About Phone. In the About Phone, tap on MIUI version. Now check for any software update that may be available for your MIUI version. Now give your device a quick restart and your problem should be fixed. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.